I tried Indonesia's world famous curry as authentic as possible.
Meaning every substitute meant one squat.
Nana, 10 squats.
Oh, come on!
Shall we begin? Alright, let's see what we are working with. Spur chili, we don't have that. We have green chili. Now, it won't be that spicy, but I think we can make do. Next up, we need shallots, ginger, galangal. In India, we have lots of ganga jal, but ये सही था गुरु. 10 squats for you. Raw turmeric, garlic, and candle nuts.
Candle nuts?
Candle nuts can be substituted with macadamia nuts.
Macadamia.
Macadamia nuts can be substituted with cashews.
Cashew.
You. That's 20 for you. Macadamia का भी कर ले. And blend. Now, here comes the hero. We'll be substituting it with mutton today.
Just call it mutton rendang, man.
Hey Indonesia, can we call it mutton rendang? Let me know. Now traditionally, rendang is slow cooked for hours. But today, we will be pressure cooking it.
No. Please, slow cook. I have all the time.
Well, I have slow cooked rice honey lal mas. You can check it out here. It turned out great. But not today.
Cheater.
शहरियार साहब कहते हैं, तो मेरी बात मानो, हवा के बाजुओं में कैद इस आहट को अब आजाद कर दो. क्या बात. And after multiple whistles and squats, we are here for the moment of truth. Amazing.
इतने substitutes के बाद authentic कहाँ रहा?
Chal na. Let me know which iconic dish I should try next.